So in my video I made recently, I basically talked about how life and everything within life is a relationship. In this video I'm going to take it a whole step further. I'm essentially just going to say that life, what it is fundamentally, is a relationship. It's not an experience. What's my reasoning for this? My reasoning is that an experience is something that happens, goes into the memory, fades away but remains in the memory. But life never dies. Memories aren't dead. There's no such thing as a memory, because your experiences affect you to this day. It's not just gone out the window. It's not just an experience. So it's not just like, okay, a thing happened, it's gone, because that would be an experience. Experience is not a real thing. Memories are not a real thing. Furthermore, not only do memories only not affect, or they do affect us, so life is not an experience, and life is a relationship, because stuff that happens to us, it changes. So you can have a happy time, look back on it later, and be sad about what happened. If it's truly an experience, life, wouldn't it be that, wouldn't life be, if life was truly an experience, that it would be the same. How you remember it is vaguely going to be the same. But for example, with me, I had a happy childhood some years, and I look back on those days and it makes me sad some of those years. It's because life is a relationship, and everything comes to the now. The past evolves into the now, and the future at the same time is coming into the now. The right now is the heart and soul of the relationship. But everything is a relationship, essentially, because, like, you and somebody else out there are having a conversation. And that's what life is, essentially. It's not a experience. It's not happening to you. It's not you only doing it to the world. It's both. And of course, who is it that you're having a relationship with? Your twin flame, your soulmate. That's what's going on here in life. Alright, so for a little bit more about that, experiences die and stay the same. Nothing happens like that. We can be sad about the past if we were happy then, or happy about the past if we were sad then. Because it's a everything that you've experienced in the past and the present, and that you will experience in the future as well. It's all part of the relationship conversation. So that's there's lies, there is kindness, there's hatred, there's love, there's jealousy, there's peace. There's a lot of stuff at play. But yeah, stop seeing life as an experience, start seeing it more as like a relationship.